We got a new mailbox, so we're going to do a little unboxing video. See, this is the new mailbox. Pretty decent. Has a lock on the back so nobody can steal our mail. Has a curved roof so no water can stay on top. Dipping some cement into the bucket so it's easier to pour into the hole where the mailbox is going. It's meant to be 275 mils in the ground, and it's about 29.
Yeah, don't put too far down. The post you have to bend over to put in.
I got these two pieces of wood here to keep the mailbox level when it goes in the ground. Just lift it up. Push all that in on here. This is what the app looks like, and then you put this in. You can see, I'll pull it out so you can see, and it tells you how level it is, and right now it's really good and it's level, so yeah.
The next day.
So it's been a day and a half since we've taken out the mailbox and put in a new one, and that's how the concrete sounds, that sounds. Taking off the 2 pieces of wood for the bracing, bottom of the mailbox. So, yeah, make sure to like and subscribe.